Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get alerted every time. So, first of all, मैं जनवरी में पैदा हुआ था. I was born in January. I was born in January. वो 2015 में घर आएगा. He will come home in 2015. He will come home in 2015. मैंने जून 2009 में कंपनी छोड़ी. I left the company in June 2009. I left the company in June 2009. मैं आधे घंटे में निकलूँगा. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. मैं आपकी सेवा में हाजिर हूँ. I am at your service. I am at your service. वो अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा. He will study in America. He will study in America. मुझे इस मोबाइल में गाने नहीं मिले. I found no songs in this mobile. I found no songs in this mobile. हमने ये किताब में पढ़ा है. We have read it in the book. We have read it in the book. आयांश आधे घंटे में निकलेगा. आयांश will leave in half an hour. आयांश will leave in half an hour. मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. मैंने कंप्यूटर में ये फोटो देखी. I saw this photograph in computer. I saw this photograph in computer. ये गाना तुम्हारे मोबाइल में है. This song is there in your mobile. This song is there in your mobile. कॉफी को कप में डालो. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. वो कमरे में जा रहा है. He is going into the room. He is going into the room. यह ट्रेन समय से पहले पहुंचेगी. This train will reach before time. This train will reach before time. मैं भी किसी से कम नहीं हूँ. I am not less than anyone else. I am not less than anyone else. तुम कौन होते हो मुझ पर चिल्लाने वाले? Who the hell are you to yell on me? Who the hell are you to yell on me? मैं तुम्हारे निकलने से पहले आऊँगा. I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. अब मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. वो अपने पापा के सामने बैठा था. He was sitting before his dad. He was sitting before his dad. वो मेरे सामने खड़ा था. He was standing before me. And you can say he was standing in front of me. वो मेरे सामने टिक नहीं सकता. He can't stand in front of me. and you can say he can't stand before me.